Oh, here we are, stranded at Westgate Resorts. Spent the night here yesterday because I couldn't get home up the damn mountain to the house. All the ice. I ain't got but 10 days before I move back to Florida. And it's snowing like a biatch. So not only do we have ice, but we got snow falling everywhere. Ain't that a bunch of crap? If this ain't a conspiracy against the white man, I don't know what is. Damn it to hell. It's a long ways down. I hope they got some food out in this mofo, because I'd be hungry. Snowing in the burg. Bunch of crap. 10 more days. Damn it.